Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! For today's episode, I will be making Filipino toasted bread from scratch, BISCOCHO. Let's start by mixing the wet ingredients. In a container, mix warm milk, sugar, and butter. Try to dissolve the sugar. In a separate bowl, combine the bread flour, the yeast, the salt, and the sugar. I put the sugar in between the yeast and salt. Then mix the dry ingredients. Add the slightly beaten egg to the milk mixtures and then stir. Then add to the flour mixtures. After combining and form a dough, knead until it becomes smooth and elastic, about between 10 to 15 minutes.
After an hour.
After an hour, punch the dough to release the gas. Then form a log-shaped dough. Then weigh to divide the buns in equal amount. After weighing each dough, form into a round-shaped buns and rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, work on making bizcocho bread. Bizcocho usually is a long thin bread, but you can also use a store-bought loaf bread to make bizcocho. Here's the bizcocho dough that I made, then proof for an hour. While waiting the buns to proof, let's mix the Milky Spread. Combine the room temperature margarine or butter, powdered milk, the sugar, and the condensed milk. Then mix thoroughly and set it aside. After an hour of proofing the buns, bake on a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. After baking, let it cool down before slicing the breads. After slicing, put back in the oven to dry the sliced bread. If you have time, you can air dry the bread or store-bought bread for a day and make bizcocho the next day. After cooling down, then put the Milky Spread on all the sliced bread. I make one side only. After applying the Milky Spread to the sliced bread, put it back once again in the oven for final cooking to become bizcocho. Here's the bizcocho. You can sprinkle some white sugar while still hot if you like more sweeter bizcocho. Yummy! Yummy! If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!